I'm out here in the woods today. This is gonna be my first stealth camping video. Haha, not. I ordered me in one of those Haven XL hammock tents, so I will be doing some camping when it comes about 30 degrees cooler. I don't camp in the summer, too hot. Well, the plan was to come back here and fish, but the Comite looks like chocolate milk. Yep. I guess this is going to be a woodland adventure, because it's definitely too muddy to fish. Look how the moss is growing up that tree right there. That's pretty interesting. This would be a pretty place to stealth camp. Right here at Game Warden Central. Right here at Waddell, it looks like the bulldozed old house out here, and they bulldozed the old state police camp out here. Man, I wouldn't have done that. I would have. It was like one big building, and then it looked like they had like 6 little camps. You can check out some older videos. Man, I don't know why they did that. They should. That's like a historical landmark. Those buildings have been here since I was a kid, bro. Like 1980 something. The buildings have been here. I would have restored those and made like a little small campground out of them. I don't get it, man. People don't respect old things no more. I understood they built the new wildlife agents academy right there, and the training academy, all that, but that, you know, still, that stuff's been there forever. I ain't gonna lie, that kind of pisses me off a little bit. No telling how many wildlife agents had graduated from that place or just been there before. We used to come squirrel hunt out here on Flannery when I was a kid, me and my brother. And them places were there here back then. Look at all the beautyberry. Gonna be a bunch of beautyberries. Bunch of beautyberries. Got a little creek. Looks like we reached the muddy portion of the trail, so that's it for that. I don't like getting my feet muddy. That's going back towards back there is going towards the swamp. The swamp. So I mean, they tore down the old camp with all the little camps. That's a shame. That's been there forever. Huh. They even tore down the little house. Used to be a little house right here. An old broken golf cart underneath it. They tore it up, tore it down. Huh. I don't know, don't get it.